Hello friends, welcome to Super Study with SP. Today we are learning about Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. What is organometallic compound? The compound in which carbon is directly joined to metal are called organometallic compound. Here in this Grignard reagent, this metal is magnesium. There are so many examples of organometallic compound like Gilman reagent and RLI. But today we are studying about Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is discovered by Victor Grignard in 19th century. Formula RMGX. Here this R refers to alkyl or aryl group and this X refers to halogen. Example C2H5MgBr. This is alkyl group, this is halogen, and the whole is Grignard reagent. Ethane magnesium bromide. Method of preparation. Grignard reagent is prepared by the action of organic halide and magnesium in presence of ether. When alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of ether and on heating it gives Grignard reagent. Mechanism for this reaction. When alkyl halide splits into R positive and X negative and magnesium atom splits into magnesium ion and 2 electron, then R positive and these 2 electrons combine to form R negative, and then this R negative, this Mg2 positive and this X negative combine and form RMgX. Structure of Grignard reagent. In low concentration, Grignard reagent exists in monomeric form, but in high concentration it exists in dimeric form. As we can see in this structure, this Grignard reagent is connected with two ethers with covalent bond. This is a condition of low concentration of RMgX. But in high concentration, they exist in dimeric form. This is one molecule of Grignard reagent and this is another molecule of Grignard reagent. This one. And they are connected with ether. This is a condition of high concentration of Grignard reagent. Now let's move toward chemical properties of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is a very reactive species. First of all, it gives acid-base reaction. When Grignard reagent react with acidic hydrogen atom in molecules such as alcohol and water, it forms alkane. Grignard reagent react with water molecule, and in this reaction this hydrogen of water molecule, the active hydrogen of water molecule, react with this alkyl or aryl group and form alkane, and the rest will combine together. As we can see, this R react with this hydrogen and form alkane. Next, nucleophilic addition reaction. Grignard reagent give nucleophilic addition reaction very rapidly. As we can see, reaction with aldehyde and ketone. In aldehyde and ketone, reaction with aldehyde, R MgX form due to high electronegativity of carbon in alkyl group and Mg is electropositivity of Mg, this form a partially negative charge. It develop a partially negative charge in this R, and this R react on central carbon atom of aldehyde, and due to this the double bond shift toward oxygen, and due to this MgX combine with O, and on hydrolysis the OH splits OMgX, and this H will take place of MgX. As we can see, this form primary alcohol. On reaction with ketone, the partially negative R react with central carbon atom of ketone, and the double bond shift toward oxygen, and again on hydrolysis HOH split OMgX and form 3-degree alcohol, the tertiary alcohol. Reaction with carbon dioxide. Reaction with carbon dioxide is similar to reaction with aldehyde and ketone. It reacts with carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid after hydrolysis. This R react with carbon and shift double bond toward oxygen. OH, this split this OMgX and form RCOH. Reaction with alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone. Grignard reagent react with alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde to give 1,2 addition product, while Grignard reagent react with ketone to give 1,4 addition product. As we can see, Grignard reagent, this R combined with central carbon atom of aldehyde, and this MgX move toward O, and on hydrolysis it give 1,2 addition product. But in ketone, this R react on 4th position, and this MgX react on 1st position. And on hydrolysis, this again happens same, and but in this condition the molecule arrange itself known as tautomerism. This OH bond again shift toward oxygen and iron carbon and form double bond, and this hydrogen shift toward beta position of beta unsaturated composition, and this R is remain on the same position on 4th position, and due to this it give 1,4 addition product. Reaction with carbon disulfide. Again, this R negative react with central carbon and splits this double bond of carbon and sulfur, and again MgX attack on this compound, and H2O split this into 2 parts and form SCRSH, and this OH could react with MgOH, MgX. Reaction with SO2. It reacts with SO2 to form alkane sulfuric acid. Again, this R negative react with sulfur and shift this double bond toward oxygen, and this OS R and OMGX. The H2O again split this OMGX and form RSOOH. Thank you for watching.